We all have met people with, let's say, varied communication abilities. But have you realized that as project managers, the way you communicate will directly influence how smoothly and successfully your projects will be delivered? So in this article, I explain what efficient, good communication does for a project. And to summarize this article, with efficient project communication, what you will get in your project is for everyone involved in the project clear objectives, goals, tasks, deadline. You will have more engaged stakeholders because they will understand what's going on, what you need from them as a project manager. Another example is that you will end up with a much better risk management by communicating openly. And an obvious one is that you will get better team collaboration and efficiency when communication itself is efficient. But there needs to be a solid foundation to this communication. And actually, a project communication should be underpinned by various values. And these values are respect, trust, autonomy, and integrity. And without those, you will not be able to put in place open, efficient communication in your project. And so now, to finish in the article, I'm giving you a few tips, a few strategies, okay, to improve communication and to make sure that you have an open and efficient communication in your project. And my tips are about developing a communication plan. It's also about using technology wisely in your communication strategy and your communication process. It sounds simple, but we don't always do it. It's to give regular updates to your stakeholders, to encourage open communication from everyone in the project. And finally, a very big one will be to be able to tailor your own communication to your audience, because not everybody wants to be communicated in the same way. So if you want to learn more about that, go ahead and read the full article.